Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily read the BingX trading chart. If you are new to trading, charts can look confusing at first. Once you understand a few basics, the BingX chart becomes your best friend for spotting trends, timing trades, and making smarter decisions. First of all, open your BingX application on your smartphone and log in. Once you're logged into your BingX account homepage, go ahead and open up any trading pair. I'm just gonna go to the Markets tab and select one of the trading pair. After you're inside the chart page, after selecting the pair, go ahead and look for the 1M, 5M, 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 day option at the top. Each candle represents a specific time period like 1 minute, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day, and so on. Each candle shows opening price, closing price, highest price, and lowest price. The green candles means price went up, whereas red candles means price went down. Candles tell the story of how price moved during that time. Go to the top of the chart and tap on the time frames such as 1 minute, 15 minutes, 1 hour, etc. Short time frames means fast signals, and long time frames means big trendy clarity. Choose the one that matches your trading style. To add tools, you can go to the indicator tab. To find the indicator tab, tap on the gear button right next to depth and then click on indicators. Once you're inside indicator, you can add tools such as RSI, MACD, moving averages, Bollinger Bands, etc. These help confirm your chart readings. If you get back, you will be able to see volume bars at the bottom of the screen. These are colored bars. Volume shows how many traders are active. High volume equals to strong market interest, whereas low volume equals to weak or quiet market. You can also switch to trading view mode if you want, which is optional but amazing. To change the trading view, go to the gear button at the top right and click on interface. Inside interface, go to chart mode and select trading view. Now if you go back, you will be able to see cleaner candles, better drawing tools, more indicators, and smoother overall interface. This is perfect for beginners and advanced traders. The more chart you read, the better you recognize patterns. Enjoy the learning process, and there you have it. That is how you know how to read the BingX trading chart, and you did great. With just a little practice further, these charts will start making total sense. Keep exploring, keep learning, and have fun uncovering the market story one candle at a time. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.